Hey everybody, this is Dan for GemmyD on Cars. It is a nice day here in Mechanicsburg, and we're going to go for a drive in this. This is a 2020 BMW 750, finished in San Marino blue metallic. Just have to show that real quick. It is the best blue paint color of all time. But now in this video, we're going to take the 7 Series for a drive. All right, here we go. All right, so we're taking off in the 7 Series. Now, I said in my other video, I have already done reviews of the 6-cylinder 7 Series. I think that was the 740, and I also did a review of the 12-cylinder 7 Series, this M750, and they were great in their own right, but I've never done a review of the V8, and that's what this is. This is a twin-turbo V8, 4-liter, 450 horsepower, and 480 foot-pounds of torque. I mean, this thing is... it's a beast. I mean, it'll go 0 to 60 in about 4.4, which is pretty damn fast. Now, in my mind, this car pretty much does it all. I mean, it's fast, it looks good, it sounds pretty good, the performance is there. But yeah, I'm finally gonna get a chance to get this out on the road to see what the 8-cylinder version is like. And I would say this is the sweet spot. I mean, if I was in the market for a sports sedan like this, I would definitely get the V8 version. I think there's nothing wrong with the 6-cylinder. This just had a little bit more power, a little bit more, spunk, a little more sportiness. Now you do have Eco mode, Sport, Sport Plus. There's a bunch of different attack modes. So we're getting this out on the road because I think there's some big rain coming. So hopefully we can just put her through her paces a little bit. Now I've spent a lot of time in this car because this is my good buddy's car, and we've gone to the movies a lot in this, gone to Cars and Coffees, and I'm definitely going to be sad to see it go. Yeah, I think this is my favorite car that he's had. And just as a refresher, I've known him for 7 years, and I think this is his 5th car. I think the next one will be number 6. But anyway, there's nothing wrong with that. Obviously, if I could, I would too. So, like I said, this is pretty much an all-around pretty damn good car. It's comfortable, looks great, it has a lot going for it. Now, right at the moment, it's a big vehicle. It is like tomb quiet in here. There's no rattles, no nothing. It's very, very solidly built, and obviously you get that with the German engineering of a BMW. But it feels like you could do whatever you would want to this thing, and it won't ever get upset. You can push it through its paces. But I think it's the cool dual nature of a car like this is that you can rip around like crazy, or you could drive 500 miles in reasonable comfort. Now, as I wait for the train to go by, because that is a common occurrence behind my neighborhood, I put it into sport mode, and you can definitely feel it stiffens up a little bit. I think it holds onto the gear a little bit more, like any sport mode would. But this car is just so comfortable. It's really fantastic. All right, the train is gone. We're gonna go on my favorite road here in Arcona to put the 750 through its paces just a little bit. I like how the gauges turn red as you're in attack mode. Now I'm gonna do something different. I've got so many comments and people are like, oh, show the car, don't show your face. I'm gonna do it sooner than I normally do, just to appease the masses. But we're just gonna give her the beans a little bit right quick right here. Okay, here we go. 750. Oh my god, that's quick. It's just like I say with many of the other German sports sedans that I drive, it's just effortlessly quick. I mean, it's just, you cannot get it out of sorts. I mean, it's not gonna handle like a 911 because this is a big car. But man, it does not break a sweat when you put it. Oh, this is fun. I'm gonna give her the beans right here. Okay, ready, go. Oh yes, that was the number on the speedo just went up very, very quickly. Oh, and it holds onto the gear so nicely. I mean, I'm getting ready. I'm gonna drive an Audi R6 Avant tomorrow, so I'm preparing myself for big, huge, fast German cars. And this is an excellent example of what that is. Just anytime you press the gas, you just go. I mean, it's seriously quick. no bones about it. It is quick. It sounds good. The throttle response is really good. Just boom. I mean, you're gone. See ya. All right, so now I'm gonna make everybody happy. All my commenters, I'm gonna show the car and not show me. But yeah, this is the 750. As I said before, the gauges turn red with the sport mode. Yeah, you got the nice iDrive. It's the visibility is great. The mirrors are nice and big. The A-pillars are not like super thick, that you can see out them pretty decently. Yeah, everything just works. It's a big, comfortable German sedan. That is honestly might be one of my favorite, type of cars. I'm new to the American bigger SUV, but you cannot beat a German, luxury vehicle. It's tough to beat. Okay, here we go. Oh, it's just so quick. Now this car is rear-wheel drive only, so the owner of this car almost had to get a sort of winter tires, because the winters do get pretty crazy here in Pennsylvania, but you know what you get. This doesn't have the BMW xDrive, but so we have 8-speed automatic, twin turbo V8, loads and loads of luxury and comfort. I mean, it is pretty much a recipe for success. All right, we're gonna get on the highway here at Lisburn, 15 North. Now, I like I said earlier, I'm saying the same stuff. I have no doubt in my mind this is be an unbelievably comfortable family cruiser. All right, real quick, let me just mash it. Oh yeah, yep. That is fast and comfortable. Yeah, that's if you could take one thing away from all these big German sedans, is that they're just so easy to get up to speed. And I mean, it's almost like bank vault comfort in here. I have no doubt it'll be an unbelievably great car, and that's what German cars are known for, and this would be no exception. All right, so I missed the rain and it's now getting sunny out. So this is gonna finish up my drive of the 2020 BMW 750, and I've said it many times, I'm gonna say it again. This is a fantastic car. It's fast, it looks fantastic, has the best blue of all time, the San Marino blue metallic. It's luxurious, it's comfortable. I mean, you check all the boxes. I don't think there's really something that negative to say about this vehicle. So this thing is going to be for sale in Mechanicsburg and the Harrisburg area coming up soon. So if you're interested in a car like this, don't forget to look around the area to see if this is going to be for sale. It's a 2020. It's got 33,000 miles on it, which is practically nothing for a 2020. So I really enjoyed this thing. I'm sad to see it go, but on to bigger and better. The owner of this car has its eyes on the prize for something in the future. So if you like what you see, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok at GemmyD on Cars. Hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one. See ya.